Good morning, St Albert's infants. Story today is The King Cat, and this is a story I've never read before, so let's check the blurb and see what it's about. A cat's life isn't always easy. One day you're king of the house, and the next everything changes. I wonder what changes. Will we find out? The King Cat. That must be him there. The King Cat. I am a cat and I am king of this house. I do so much for my people. I keep them entertained and I sleep in all day so I can protect them at night. All I ask for in return is some help to relax every now and again. I am such a good king and I'm super cute. I think he is very cute. But something happened this morning. I don't know what, but I must have done something to upset my people. If not, why, oh why would they have done this to me? What have they got? I think that looks like a dog. Nobody ever asked for my opinion. A goldfish would have been okay, but a dog? Dogs are annoying. Dogs are strange. Dogs are disgusting. And let's be honest, dogs are quite stupid. But as I am such a good king, I have given him a proper welcome. But he doesn't seem to understand the rules of my house. And it looks like everyone else has forgotten too. I don't understand. Do they love me anymore? Could it be true? No. Okay, enough. I am still the king of this house. And I don't want you here. That's it. I've had enough. I don't want... Oh, good. It's worked. Off he's gone. Finally, everything is back to normal. Nice and quiet. But is it too quiet? I suppose my rules are back. No, there they are. But that's okay, we can make some new rules. We'll make them both together as long as he knows I'm still the king. Oh, and they look like they're good friends at the end.